Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change who can comment on your post to profile and pages you mention on Business Suite. So let's get started. Firstly, open Business Suite app in your device. Then find the post on which you want to change the setting. Next, tap on three dot icon. Next, tap on who can comment on your post. Then you can see the option of profiles and pages you mention. Tap on it. Next, tap on done. So this is how you can change who can comment on your post to profile and pages you mention on Business Suite. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.